Mary Williams saw an extra charge tacked on her bill, so she asked the Verify team for some help.
My name is Mary Williams, and I was wondering if merchants and businesses are allowed to charge a convenience fee if you use a credit card to pay.
Mary, bam, our researchers got you the answer. We reached out to Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, and we can verify. Yes, Wemo, businesses can charge you a convenience fee when you pay for things like your taxes, school tuition, or concert tickets. That's because companies say paying with a credit card isn't the typical way to pay. Can you believe that? And there's no way to get around these charges other than paying in person with cash or with a check. And yeah, that's likely to happen. Well, we got right on that. My team talked to Kimberly Palmer, credit card expert at NerdWallet, and Matt Schultz, senior analyst at creditcards.com, to find out how you can outsmart this fee.
If you're using a credit card where you're earning 3% back in cash back, then you're essentially canceling out that convenience fee. So you as a consumer can plan ahead and think about ways to minimize the impact of that convenience fee.
Go for it. So yes, companies can charge a convenience fee if you pay with a credit card in the comfort of your home. Yeah, it is more convenient than standing at the box office with cash or paying by the mail. And no doubt the man, he gonna get his money. Well, those fees are actually illegal, if you believe it, in some states, just not in Virginia, Maryland, or D.C. Our Verify team is always doing your bidding. All you have to do is swipe through your email and look us up. Find me on Facebook or Twitter at AdamLongoTV, or email me and the team, verify@WUSA9.com.
Let's talk about another important transaction. How's that 3-degree guarantee going?
Pretty well, thank you. Thanks for asking. We're going to start with that tonight.
Well, you told me to,
I know.
so, you know.
And then we're going to go to wind and rain.
Lobbed it up and
bam,
smashed it home.
Smacked it out of the ballpark. Well, we went 76. It was 78, so we were okay. And even though a cold front goes through tonight, we're going to go 75 tomorrow. The cold air will lag behind a little bit. So right now it's still 72. Winds are south-southeast at 15. And we do have rain and showers across most of the metro area. Some heavy activity still to the west, but as it moves eastward, it will lose some of its punch. So I don't think we'll see anything severe tonight. Some strong winds as they move through, yes, but heaviest rain now south of Leesburg, west of Sterling, and some pretty good range too now showing up over toward College Park, just on the outside of the Beltway there, and some rain also back down into western side of D.C. Everything essentially moving eastward, but very slowly. Individual cells moving north at about 40. So bus stop temps 58 to 68. Early shower possible. Best chance will be east of I-95. Still warm tomorrow, and the winds will diminish very, very quickly. So really not a bad day at all. Cooler, but still nice Wednesday and Thursday, and then boom, milder Friday. 70s return. A great end of the week. In fact, look at the temps. 75 tomorrow, but then 66 on Wednesday, mid-60s Thursday. That's average. Low 70s on Friday, and then mid to upper 60s on Saturday. That's pretty close to average. All right, Futurecast, 4 o'clock in the morning. There are the heavy storms now. See the red? Portions of Howard County and northern Prince George's County. Look at the temps, still 71 downtown. But by 9 o'clock, everything's gone. Sunshine returns to places like Loudoun County and Fauquier County, Prince William County by about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. And just a gorgeous day. And even by evening tomorrow, we're looking at temperatures still in the low to mid 70s across the board. And really not that cold. I mean, colder tomorrow, but nothing crazy cold. Now, here are the winds. This is a forecast, all right? So winds could gust to 24 in Leesburg at midnight. They could gust to 38 miles per hour at 2 a.m. downtown, and maybe 43 in Gaithersburg and also Frederick. The good news is they're going to go away very quickly. By 4 o'clock, high winds now over toward Annapolis and Andrews. And then by 5 o'clock, not much wind west, maybe a few more gusts downtown and just to the east of I-95. So by 6 o'clock, winds are pretty much done. By 7 o'clock, showers are pretty much done. We'll keep a shower in until about 7, 68, but then nice, 70 at 11 o'clock, 73 at 1 o'clock. And Wednesday and Thursday, great, cooler, but average, mid-60s, not bad. Next 7 days, low 70s on Friday. We're okay for the Terps game. Right now, the Dallas game looks like it's going to be cool and wet. Highs only at around 60. And then we're looking at low 60s with sunshine on Monday. So,
yeah, Redskins not looking too good right now. This is a big game, Topper, and they came up a little short. Can they pull off the comeback at the Eagles? Details ahead in sports.
Sex traffickers stole the innocence of my baby. They outsmarted me and targeted my daughter with technology. They're making billions while